All right, good day to all. Welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year to all. Today I finally got my Ave Maldea frame set. I'll be unwrapping it and showing it to you guys. And later on today, I'll be taking it to my mechanic to get it built. All right, let's open it. All right, and there you have it. Okay, very nice, nicely painted. Okay, I decided to paint it orange because this is the color that appeals to me at the moment. This frame set actually traveled all the way from the Philippines to California. It was boxed properly and no damage at all. I'll be sending this to my mechanic sometime today to get it built. And hopefully I'll be able to use it this weekend or in the near future. The person who did this paint job is his name is Roldan. His link will be posted down in the description section down below if you're interested. But he is in the Philippines, so if ever you're in the Philippines, you can get your frame set and fork painted by him. All right, and welcome back to my channel, Jock on Two Wheels. Today we are staring at my new build. I just got this made not too long ago, and the bike frame actually came from the Philippines. It is a artisan bike frame builder. His name is Ave Maldea. They call him Ave for short, and he has been making steel frame bikes back in the Philippines. So what I decided is I want to own, or I want to have one of those bikes that was made in the Philippines. So I got it pre-ordered, and I sent him my measurements, and finally the bike came here with me when we went back home, and I was able to package it correctly, and the bike frame and the fork came in without any damage. So now let's go and check out all the components that I put in here. It was put together by our mechanic. His name is Raffy Soriano. Thank you so much for creating and building this bike for me. And also for the bike frame, my point of contact is Mel. He also helped me out on how to order the bike frame with the specifications. And lastly, I would like to thank Roldan from the Philippines. He also painted it. It's very simple, one color, just the way I wanted it, with the details that I wanted placed on the frame and the fork itself. Okay, let's dig right into it. Okay, on this one right here, I have Campagnolo Super Record. This is the special edition. This is the Italian edition with the shift levers with green, white, and red. Only on the right side. On the left side, it doesn't have any. So I'm running an 11-speed Super Record. As you can see, the brakes, and this one right here, the cranks, has the Italian colors or Italian flags as well, with the green, white, and red. And I am using an 1132, and apparently according to Campagnolo, the 11-speed can only run up to 29. So I installed, or my mechanic installed, the oversized pulley wheel, which can now accommodate to up to 32. So with that, my cockpit is the dead Super Leggero, the combination. So it's the RS model, and also the seat post. It's a dead Super Leggero. We installed zipp 202, so it can be lighter. It can be used for climbing or also it's good for flats as well. So with this, we have the Vittoria Corsa control, and this is a clincher, so I still have inner tubes in there, and I have the Keo blade pedals. So yeah, this is it. And my favorite, the Bjorn saddles. This is one great saddle right here. And for the details, I actually got the handlebar tape with small perforations. As you can see, it has the orange perforations and actually matches the frame set. Now let's get into the frame set. Now this one right here has Ave Maldea signature, and obviously I have to have some Philippine representation, so I got a flag in here. This is with clear coat, so it's not just a sticker that you can just peel. And that one right there is the name. This bike is dedicated for my son, and the stamp right here says Maldea. Okay, and the fork, since this is a one of one, my size, my color, my bike, so we decided, or I decided, to put one of one in here, making this bike a very unique bike with Ave Maldea signature. This one right here is the Ave Maldea's head badge. So overall, the bike is the way I really wanted it. One color, very simple. And as far as the ride, I've ridden this bike so far for about 500 miles and have no complaints. Obviously, it's a steel frame, so it's a bit heavy, on the heavy side. But still, it managed to be on roughly about 7.5 kilos. So what's that, about 16, 17 pounds for a steel bike. It's not bad. I mean, I don't use it for anything crazy anyway. So there you have it, the one of one, my Ave Maldea bike. And if you happen to like the video, please do like and subscribe to my channel, Jock on Two Wheels. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.